lost our life, our safety.
I left everything there, even my heart.
Никогда не думала.
The second bomb was dropping down near 5 meters of our house. You see, in this moment, it is not home, not room. It is, maybe it is hell.
I cannot say that I feel comfortable around the rifle. I'm not sure how I'm going to react to shooting at somebody. And this is something, and let's say, even if I will be capable of shooting, killing someone is marking you on your life. So I don't believe that any of the Ukrainians are willingly doing it, but we don't have any choice.
Всі ми тут захищаємо нашу незалежність, нашу державу. І так буде й далі.